Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to navigate the Tesla Model Y. We'll explore its innovative features and understand what makes it a popular electric vehicle. This guide will help you grasp the essentials, from its impressive range to its spacious interior. Get ready to discover the convenience and performance packed into this versatile SUV, designed for both daily commutes and longer journeys. It's an exciting vehicle to learn about. The Model Y delivers an exciting driving experience. Its performance variant can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a remarkable 3.3 seconds. Depending on the configuration, you can achieve an estimated driving range of up to 357 miles, perfect for long trips. The vehicle also offers precise handling and a comfortable ride, making every journey both thrilling and relaxed. It truly combines efficiency with dynamic performance. Step inside the Model Y and discover a spacious, minimalist cabin centered around a large 15.4-inch touchscreen. This display controls nearly all vehicle functions, from navigation to climate. You'll find impressive practicality with up to 76.2 cubic feet of cargo space when the rear seats are folded down. The Model Y comfortably seats 5 adults, and an optional third row can accommodate up to 7 passengers, making it incredibly versatile for families and adventurers alike. Owning a Model Y is designed for convenience, especially when it comes to charging. You can easily charge at home or utilize Tesla's vast supercharger network, which can add over 160 miles of range in just 15 minutes. The vehicle also receives regular over-the-air software updates, continuously improving features and performance. With fewer moving parts than traditional cars, the Model Y typically requires minimal routine maintenance, offering a streamlined and cost-effective ownership experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.